Today we bring you a video on the much awaited Royal Enfield Classic 650. The first thing that hits you is how beautiful these bikes look. The bike retains the old classic styling from the older 350s with the headlight dome, the triangular subframe cradling, triangular toolboxes, the rear fender stay, and bulging teardrop tank. Royal Enfield has paid amazing attention to detail. It seems that the quality, the fit and finish, their attention to detail on the last few releases has been kicked up several notches. The bike should be released in India in Jan 2025. She would be available in four shades: black chrome, birthing taupe blue, vellum red, and teal. The bike doesn't have a lot of modern features to maintain the classic experience. It comes with an analog display, a small digital insert which puts out basic information, and a small tripper pod like the classic 350. The bike gets standard switches, a slipper clutch, and a USB Type C charging unit. The bike has the same 648cc engine with 47.8 bhp power, 52.3 newton meters of torque, and the 6-speed gearbox. Speaking about the frame, the bike has the same dual frame as the Shotgun 650 with minor changes to the head tube angle. The bike would be the heaviest and the longest of the 650cc siblings, weighing 243 kilos. The bike has Showa telescopic forks in the front with 320 discs and Showa twin shocks at the back with 300 discs. Speaking about the wheels, the bike comes with a 100 by 90 19-inch front wheel and a 140 by 70 18-inch wheel in the rear. The bike has spoked wheels and tube tires. What stands out is the chromed hubs. They simply look amazing. The bike has the same riding position as the classic 350. The handle position and the neutral foot peg position gives you a nice upright riding stance. It should be interesting to see if the bumps translate to your back the way it does on the Shotgun 650 though. Overall, the bike will definitely appeal to the crowd that is used to how the old Royal Enfield motorcycles look, and it is definitely going to do well. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That's all for this video, folks. See you in the next one.